Give you a quick education on garlic. Okay, so this bed was full of garlic. It's a raised bed. Raised beds are always the way to go. You can control the soil, the moisture, whatever you put in it. You can make it organic. But this is what I wanted to show you. These monstrous tomato plants. So I pulled the garlic at the end of June. So what do you do in July, August, September, October? Well, during the garlic growing season, I threw these tomato plants in as an experiment. But now look how beautiful these guys are. They were a little lanky at first, but now they're just filling right up. After I pulled the garlic, they're taking over this whole bed. So for you garlic lovers and growers, I suggest this. So every so often when you're planting your garlic, space it out perfectly. Throw a tomato in there. Of course, May 24 is when you can put them in, so that's when I put them in, and the garlic is well established by then. But look how beautiful these things are. So impressed. And I will be doing it every year now. So, as a gardener, you try to experiment, and this is definitely working out. So I suggest this for all garlic growers, because you're always trying to figure out what are you going to plant for the leftover months, because you're going to pull the end of June and you have July, August, September, October. So yeah, I suggest doing this. And look at all these tomatoes here. Another 50 going up the trellises. Pretty damn happy. Gardenhulk happy. Okay guys, you have a good day.